I'm Dr. Sanjana Bhagwat, MD Medicine, currently pursuing my DNB Gastroenterology in Dinanath Mangeshkar Hospital, Pune. I would like to give you some tips or some information about the vaccine, as India is going on its massive vaccination drive and opening up its vaccines to those below 45 as well. I would like to encourage all of you to take the vaccine as soon as possible. A few myths that are currently there about the vaccine. One, that you will test positive after taking the vaccine. That's a completely false statement. You will get antibodies after taking the vaccine, but you cannot test positive with the PCR or the antigen test, which is a swab test, after taking the vaccine. The second myth that is there is that you cannot get COVID at all after taking the vaccine. Well, that is not true. After the first dose, you will get a low level of immunity and you still have the risk of contracting the disease as much as someone who is not vaccinated. After the second dose, it will take about 2 weeks to get full immunity. So till then, you are equally at risk as someone who is not vaccinated, but after that, you will have some immunity. After that, if you do get the infection, the severity is said to be lesser. This is what has been seen in post-vaccination cases, that hospitalization is lesser, severity of the disease is lesser. So the vaccination definitely does help in that way. You can still pass on the virus to someone who is not vaccinated. So even after taking the vaccine, you need to continue wearing a mask, practicing social distancing and personal hygiene. Thank you.
Hey, did you take your vaccine yet?
Bro, I'm not taking this vaccine, huh? There are like too many problems and stuff, and they put like trackers and stuff inside the vaccine. I'm not taking it.
Okay, first take that hat off, it's ridiculous. And second, this isn't a sci-fi movie. What tracking device are you talking about?
Bro, trust me on this one. I know, huh?
Okay, I understand that you're scared, but this vaccine can actually protect you and the people that you love. Isn't that something you want?
No, bro, trust me. I saw it on Instagram. Check it out. There are trackers in this vaccine.
Take the hat off! Oh my god.
Sorry.
There is no tracking device in the vaccine. You need to start looking at credible news sources instead of unverified news sources.
Stay safe, stay aware, and please do not resort to tomfoolery like this.
Take the vaccine, don't give it a miss.
कोरोनापासून आपल्याला जर का कोणी वाचवू शकतं तर ते आहे वॅक्सिन. लक्षात घ्या मित्रांनो, खूप वाईट परिस्थिती चालू आहे. कोरोनापासून वाचायचं असेल तर लवकरात लवकर वॅक्सिनसाठी रजिस्टर करा आणि तुमच्या वॅक्सिनचा फर्स्ट डोस घ्या. इट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. टेक वॅक्सिन.
Hello guys, this is Rotaractor Vedant Ghate from Rotaract Club of Pune Mid East, and today I am proud to tell you that the vaccines made in India are completely safe and has a good immunogenic response against the COVID-19. So trust the vaccine and take your shot at the earliest. Thank you.
नमस्कार मित्रांनो, लॉकडाऊनचा कंटाळा आलाय खूप, मला सुद्धा. पण हा अजून किती दिवस चालणार हे फक्त आपल्या हातात आहे. आपली सुरक्षितता ही आपल्याच हातात आहे. त्यामुळे लस घ्या, जबाबदार व्हा. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ira. You know what everyone in the world is hoping and praying for right now? To have their lives as they were before this pandemic hit. You know what can help us achieve that together? You got it right, getting yourselves vaccinated. The age groups of 18 to 45 are now open for vaccinations. So, what are you waiting for? Go and get yourselves registered, get yourself vaccinated, and get back to your normal life. With a mask though.
Hi, this is Shreya, a 24-year-old fashion stylist. I firmly believe in importance of getting vaccinated as it is the only way that we can fight with this horrible pandemic that has hit us. I request each and every youngster to please get vaccinated. I want to get vaccinated and I'm ready to get vaccinated. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Sudeep Bakre. I am here to convey a very strong message to this video, as we all of us are aware of the situation going throughout the world, especially in India. India is the most affected country right now with this COVID-19 virus. We have to be at home, stay safe and be patient. as our government are taking some good decisions for us. The way to break this chain out is to get vaccinated and stay safe. Our government is also running a campaign called Get India COVID Free. So let's be the part of the campaign and let's contribute ourselves with this. Let's get vaccinated and stay safe at home. Do not step outside until and unless it is something important or any emergency. Whenever you're out, to wear your mask and obey the guidelines. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.
The world has been a very different place for the last year and a half. And we've just kind of been sitting around waiting for it to get better. That hasn't worked very well, has it? So what do? How do we change it? Get vaccinated. Slots are now opened up for 18 to 45-year-olds. Log on, register, get your shots. Saving the world has never been easier.
Hello guys, my name is Rotracta Saili. Today our team is encouraging people to take their vaccines on time. So do take your vaccine as soon as possible to keep you and your family safe. Kindly spread the word.
Hello guys, this is Shalvi and I am urging all of you to please go and get yourselves vaccinated because COVID-19 is real, it's dangerous, it has created a havoc in our country. And I understand that the search for vaccination slots is a tiresome process, but just hang in there because we have to fight this deadly virus. And also, vaccination does not make you invincible, it just adds to your safety. So please maintain all COVID-19 protocols even after vaccination. Wear your masks, sanitize your hands and maintain social distancing. So let's be responsible youth of this country and set an example for the coming generation and let's get vaccinated.
Hello guys, this is Road Tractor Sanket Nagpure from Road Track Club of Pune Medist. I urge people to not fall prey to any rumors about COVID-19 vaccine. Government of India has provided free vaccinations to all state governments, so people above age group of 18 can get their doses. So I urge people to take the doses at earliest as possible. Thank you.
Hi guys, I am Mahima Shevde. As we see, the world is struggling through this pandemic and the vaccination is the only best and possible way we could save our and our loved ones' life. I urge you all to take the vaccination dose as soon as possible. Thank you.
Hey guys, I would request you all to go for the vaccination as soon as possible. It is safe and it is for the betterment of every one of us. So guys, again, please go for the vaccinations as soon as it's available. Thank you all.
I'm Akash and I'm an IT professional. As we all know, we are all dealing with pandemic situation here and everyone is suffering one way or other. Shortage of oxygen, medical beds, ventilators, and all this is very unbearable to watch. So to support our country, to help our country, I request you all to take the vaccination for the betterment of our future and also to secure the economy. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Anushka Viram. Hello, I'm Sakshi Ray. India is staying strong and fighting with the second wave of COVID-19. We will get through this together if all the citizens are ready to take vaccines which are totally safe, effective and will help in the slow spread of virus.
So, I and my sister are trying to convey this message to everyone around the country to get vaccinated as soon as possible. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Darsh and 2 days back I got vaccinated. I really don't think that there is any need to be scared of the vaccines and it doesn't really matter which one you get, like the Covishield or the Covaxin, because the outcome is the same but just the way they work is different. And there is nothing like one is better than another. You might experience fatigue or soreness on the injected arm, but it only lasts for 2 to 3 days. And you might even get a mild fever, but do not panic as it is just your body getting acquainted with the vaccine. Also, the vaccine won't make you invincible from COVID, but it will definitely help your immune system to improve. Nevertheless, getting vaccinated is the desperate need of the hour and a huge responsibility on all of us. Together, we shall conquer this pandemic and get out of it safe and healthy. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Charul Deshpande
and this is to address my age group of people, that is 20 to 30, that it is our duty towards our country to get vaccinated as soon as possible for a healthy lifestyle and a better tomorrow. So what are you waiting for? Go and get yourself vaccinated as soon as possible. Thank you.
Hi, this is Omkar. The only way through this pandemic is by vaccination. The average age of our country being 27. In order to achieve herd immunity, we need to get vaccinated, especially people in our age group. I am eager for my shot. Are you?
नमस्कार, मी मुक्ताई बापट, सायकोलॉजिस्ट बाय प्रोफेशन. मी वॅक्सिन घेतलं आहे, मी लस घेतली आहे. तुम्ही घेतलं आहे? नसेल घेतलं तर लवकरात लवकर घ्या. ही लस सेफ आहे आणि कोरोनासाठी हे अल्टिमेट सोल्युशन आहे हे वॅक्सिनेशन. आरोग्य सेतू किंवा कोविन ॲपवरनं तुम्ही नक्कीच रजिस्टर करून तुम्ही तुमचं लस घेऊ शकता. स्टे सेफ, स्टे होम.
Hi guys, so I just wanted to say that please get vaccinated. This is for our generation 18 to 30, for my generation basically. Please, it is our duty to get vaccinated and it is the need of an hour. So please do get vaccinated and please stay safe, be careful, take care of yourselves, good care of yourselves. Please do not step out of the house unless it is very, very necessary. Please do get vaccinated. Please. Thank you.
Hi everybody, this is Nishant and I'm here to talk about something that has become pretty controversial but shouldn't have been in the first place. The COVID-19 vaccine. There are so many things being said right now that it's a placebo effect, it's a business strategy, it does not actually work, one vaccine is better than the other, but I think it's pretty clear by now that this is what we have to do and this is the need of the hour. So think of it as one extra step you can take now. So go ahead, get yourself registered, take your shot, save the world.
Hi, I'm Rucha and I'm sailing in the same boat as I think all of us are, where we have friends, family, relatives who have contracted COVID, suffered greatly because of COVID, or worst case scenario, lost someone close to it. We are currently at a stage where we have got to put our thoughts and beliefs aside about what this pandemic is and realize that vaccination is the only way out to safeguard ourselves as well as our community. Speaking on behalf of the people in the age bracket of 18 to 44, where we have a lot of responsibilities, we are going out, meeting people and are at maximum risk of contracting as well as transmitting the virus. We are and should be very eager to take the vaccination right away as soon as possible, which is the best and the only step to take right now. Thank you.
Hey guys, this is Rotractor Pranav Apte from Rotract Club of Pune Mid East. I have taken my both the doses of COVID-19 vaccine and I urge each and every one of you to take your 2 doses whenever they are possible for you. And don't believe in any myths against them. Together we can win this battle. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Road Tractor Shubham More. I had my first dose of vaccination a few days ago and it's totally safe. So I request you all to please try and get vaccinated and also tell people around yourself to do the same. Yes, the process is not that easy, but it's totally worth. Let's help our COVID warriors and keep our near and dear ones safe. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Ruhi Turk and this is to address my age group, that is from 20 to 30. It is our duty towards our country to get vaccinated for a better lifestyle and better economy. So go and get vaccinated. क्या भाई क्या देख रहे हो, जाके वैक्सीन लगा के आओ. Go Corona, go.